How to disable BuddyPress Groups Posting for members. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to disable BuddyPress Groups Posting for members. By default, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But you can hide the posting form with few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file and save it. I am login with non-admin account. And you can see there's no posting form on the group page even though I already joined the group. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.